Hi everybody, this is Jerry Gerritsen Tabea Law. I want to talk about for just a few minutes today about the U.S. citizenship and how you can become a U.S. citizen. There are generally 5 requirements, and of course I'll just run through them real quick. Age, residency or physical presence in the United States, good moral character, that's a biggie, language, U.S. government, and history knowledge. So generally a person will have their green card. They'll be here legally, right? They'll have presence. I think it's 5 years in most cases that you're required to be here, and be in good moral standing. So here's the deal with this. It's a big area, big topic. The key word, or the key phrase to focus on is the CIMT. Okay. What does that stand for? That is the crimes involving moral turpitude. What does that mean? Well, there's a lot of debate. Is fraud a crime involving moral turpitude? I think that's clear. I think that's, you look at the case history, and fraud is generally yes. Robbing a bank, yes. Some of these other areas, cheating on a test in school. So there's a lot of gray area here, and that's where a lot of these citizenship cases get hung up. And that's where a good attorney is needed to determine where you're at as far as what the case law says about CIMT, and the best way to combat that, best way to present you if you have that kind of issue in the best light to the immigration judge, court, authority. So, of course, age has to be a certain age, and we already talked about language. They want you to speak English language is absolutely necessary. Again, that's if you're going to be a citizen, they want you speaking the English language. And U.S. government and history knowledge, you'll have to take a test, an exam. You ought to study and know basic U.S. history. Have a knowledge about our system of government, our capitalist free society. The idea here is that if we want, as Americans, we want citizens to assimilate, to agree with the major philosophies and beliefs of our country. Why would you want to become an American citizen if you don't believe in capitalism or in the history of the country? So we don't want folks to come into the country or become citizens who don't like the country or don't agree with the country, or so on and so forth. And by the way, citizens, before you become a citizen, you raise your hand and you swear an oath to this country to defend the country, if need be, by giving your life in the military. So anyways, that's just a brief overview of citizenship. Thank you so much. You guys have a great, some of you, 4-day weekend, 3-day weekend, Labor Day weekend. All right, so have a great time off, and we'll talk to you guys next time.